Imagine seeing that first drip, a sign of something much deeper. Water can wreak havoc within walls, paving the way for mold linked to severe health concerns. Water damage within the structure of your home can quickly lead to the spreading of mold in as little as 24 hours. Mold is known to cause serious health problems, from allergy-like symptoms to serious respiratory issues. Renovate old or deteriorated drains and sewers from 1.25 inches to 1 foot in diameter by use of epoxy brush coating. The epoxy coating applied provides a damp-proof, corrosion-resistant, wear-resistant, and non-corrosive lining. Several coats can be applied within the same pipe. Renovate pipes with minimal disruption, avoiding costly excavation, construction, or carpentry restoration. A 10-year structural warranty is backed by every project. The epoxy brush coating process is suitable for horizontal or vertical pipes. The chemical compound is environmentally friendly. Not only is it tried and tested, the 100% solids epoxy mixture is NSF 61 and ASTM certified. Moreover, epoxy brush coating provides long-lasting protection to prevent leaks, corrosion, or further aging. In conclusion, act proactively and save your sewer or drain today. Call United Sewer and Water 914-291-5759